Hey guys, today's video is going to be a ThredUp unboxing. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time. Today I got a really good box and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this is a ThredUp rescue box. They have tons of different types of rescue boxes. This one is the activewear box. It is 15 pieces for $54 or $50? 54. I think it's 54. So this is the third time I've gotten this box and it's definitely the best box that I've gotten so far. So you ready to see what I got? Full disclosure, I've actually sold some of these things in a whatnot sale that I had earlier today, but the other stuff that I didn't sell will be in a future show. So I'll have a link to my whatnot down below if you guys want to check it out. If you see something that you like and you want to purchase it from me, check out my whatnot. First thing is this Fila shirt. It's a size medium. This is, oh my gosh, I'm not used to like holding up clothes on this camera with this setting, and oh, I feel like I should have done this in my area where I film my whatnot videos. But anyway, it's a Fila shirt. This is cute. It is a size medium. Got some Fabletics leggings. These are a size medium. Sorry if you can hear my kids in the background. It's just, what time is it even? Actually, what time is it? It is 6 o'clock on New Year's Eve when I'm filming this. No plans tonight. My plans are to do nothing. That's my plan. Okay, Fabletics leggings. They are gray, and then at the bottom they have this like herringbone print. Men's item. This is Under Armour. It's a men's size medium, and it's just this lightweight hoodie. It's like their heat gear or whatever. It has this fun print on it. I like that the sleeves are different. Again, it's got a hood. It's very lightweight. I got some new tags Zella leggings. These are, I don't know what they're called. Zella leggings retail for $65. They're sold at Nordstrom. They are a size medium. These are really nice. Bottom looks like that. These are really, really nice. And they're new tags. Some shorts. These are Nike shorts. Just some little like lined running shorts. They're a size small. More Nike shorts. Dark gray. These are also lined. These are a size medium. Oh, I forgot to mention, everything in this box is either a size small or medium. And this box is harder to find because usually when the activewear boxes go on sale, it's the extra small boxes. So I was glad I snagged a small medium box. These are Adidas, size medium, more running shorts. The 3 stripes on the side, and these are lined as well. And then I got 2 of these exact same tank tops from The Gap. This is their Breathe line. They're both a size medium. These are so soft. So yeah, I just got 2 of the same tank top, both size medium. And then also from The Gap, this is also from the Breathe line. This is a size medium, long sleeve. And then it opens in the back, so that's fun. 5 Lululemon items. First off is this bra. I do not know the size on this. If I had to guess, I would say that this is a size 4. That would be my guess. It's a really pretty green color. Lululemon. There's the logo. There's no tag on here, and there's no like, usually in the bras you can look into the, like, it's usually the left side to find the size dot, but there's no like, I don't know, this one's made different. I've never seen this bra before. And I got 4 pairs of Lulu leggings. They're all size 6. I do not know the names of all of these, but these ones are fun. Size 6 Lululemon. These ones, these are all cropped as well. Actually, no, I think one pair isn't cropped. I love the color of these ones. Again, these are all size 6. Lululemon. The last pair of leggings, these are the Run Smoothly leggings. I love this color. You guys hear my dog barking too. You know, this is what's happening on New Year's Eve at my house. That was my box. I have sold everything except for the Lululemon items and the Zella leggings because I'm saving those for a future show. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of those Lululemon items, they will be in a future show. I'll have that link down below. I also have a link with Whatnot. If you're new and you want to sign up, you will get a $15 credit. So if you see a pair of leggings that you like and you're new to Whatnot, use my link. You'll get a $15 credit. I also get a credit too, so thank you. That's everything that I got in my box. I'm really happy with it. It was definitely the best box that I've gotten. I think in my last activewear box, I think I got one Lululemon item, and then I don't think I got any in the first box. So fingers crossed they're all going to be like this. But do keep in mind they're mystery boxes. You have no control over what you're going to get. So if you guys see this video and you're like, oh, Vanessa got good stuff, and then you go and order a box and you don't get good stuff, just know that that's a possibility. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.